Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to make a combination of seed stitch and stockinette stitch. I like this combination and I'm going to use it for the hat. It can be used as well for sweaters or blankets or pillowcases. To knit this stitch you need to cast on the number of stitches multiple of 6 plus 4 extra stitches and plus 2 selvage stitches, so in total multiple of 6, and there will be only 2 rows to repeat. So slip the first stitch, knit 5, purl 1, and these 6 stitches we are going to repeat: knit 5, purl 1, knit 5, purl 1. Repeat as many times as needed. Knit 5, purl 1. At the end we have 4 extra stitches. Knit them, knit 4, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn and row number 2, slip the first stitch, purl 4, those extra stitches, and now what we are going to repeat: purl 1, knit 1, purl 4. And these 6 stitches we are going to repeat: purl 1, knit 1, purl 4. And again, purl 1, knit 1, purl 4. And for the last time, purl 1, knit 1, purl 4. And purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. And now start repeating everything from row number 1. It is knit 5, purl 1, knit 5, purl 1, knit 5, purl 1, and so on. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you're going to use this combination. Please let me know in comments how you're going to use it, and you're welcome to check other stitches on my blog.